This is the ending for the kite, the last line of the song on page 50 of the script. That kite is really off the ground. Starting with Kelly. Here's the tempo. Here's your pitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. There's a few more counts there. Then Brittany. This is your part, starting at that same place. Here's your pitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Ashley, in the same spot. Here's your pitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Good. That's the end.